Hi, my name is Ellie and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop is to be careful with the website you're going to buy the Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop from, because the Lose Your First 10 Pounds. The workshop is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video, and you will be able to get it at a discounted price. So what is the Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes. Then Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop works, and after many tests, researchers identify that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that you will lose weight very fast and easy, just like me. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. This new nutrient synthesis discovery has already changed the lives of over 10,000 people, helping them lose 87,329 pounds.
Was desperate to find something, and with your coaching, number one, I feel like you're available whether I text you with my plan for the week or I text you with questions about, is this barbecue sauce okay, or is this turkey sausage okay? The fact that you're able and willing, like if I'm going to go out with friends, to look at the menu beforehand and tell us, hey, this is a way to enjoy going out and not stressing out, and here's what you can eat instead. That makes a huge difference. Also, having the ability to be able to communicate with you, as well as the accountability step by step, because while I've lost a lot, I still have a ways to go to get to my goal weight. But the fact is, there's so much out there about how to lose weight, and it can be so confusing. And so, and I've tried a bunch of things. I've tried the keto diet. I've tried everything. And while it might be short term, it was not sustainable. This, I feel, is sustainable, along with your coaching and the accountability, and your check-ins. Like, even it's not just, you'll be like, hey, how's it going with the water? Because water has been one of my challenges. So it's been all the difference, because I can be 100% committed, as I've been with other diets. And then after time, it's really hard to keep that up and keep doing it yourself. So that, as well as the community that you have with everyone else involved, it's made all the difference for me. On Saturdays, Zoom call with the group, I had lost 3.5 inches. This morning it was 4 inches. So
4 inches already in 4 weeks.
Yeah. So
that's amazing.
There's something about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test to Lose Your First 10 Pounds workshop for 1 year, 100 money back guarantee for 365 days. And if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the Lose Your First 10 Pounds from, and also if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person, because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the Lose Your First 10 Pounds and actually help you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this